Who am I using for my options trading? A very popular question I get. In fact, if you're watching this video, you might have asked me and I linked you right to this video. So first off, thank you for watching. And unfortunately, it's not a straightforward answer. There are a few little clarification points that need to be explained. So let's hop right into it. So for clarity's sake, we will be talking about who am I using for the position window right here, for the orders window, for the options level 2 window, and then for just simply the ticker symbol window up there, SPY. In other words, I am not talking about who I'm using for my technical charts. Now, please listen very closely because this is where things certainly need clarification. For my broker, my online broker to buy and sell, I'm using Lightspeed. However, for the platform I'm using Lightspeed Trader. And I make that distinction because Lightspeed as a broker offers several different platforms. The platform I am using under the umbrella of Lightspeed as a broker right here is the Lightspeed Trader. Now the question here you need to ask yourself, another bit of clarification, do you have $25,000? If you don't have $25,000, then Lightspeed is not going to be a choice for you because that is their minimum requirement. However, that doesn't mean that it's game over, end of the road or anything like that, because the solution for you is also who I happen to use as my chart provider, because the chart provider also is a broker and they don't have that $25,000 minimum. So let me go and explain who this is. So just to keep us on the same page, I am now talking about who am I using for the technical charts. And this is also going to be who the solution is for those of you that maybe don't have the $25,000. So who I'm using for my charts is Webull, who again is also an online broker. They're always running promotions. So if you want to use them, I'll put a link down below and you can take advantage of their promotions that they're using. So I am using their charts, not them as the broker, but if you do want to use them as your broker, they offer all sorts of great tools. They offer all sorts of different offers, and they always have different things going on. So I definitely recommend giving them a consideration. So that is who I am using. Just to recap things once again, my online broker who I'm using to execute the orders is Lightspeed. Within Lightspeed, they offer several platforms and I'm using Lightspeed Trader. But if you don't have the $25,000, then you could then use Webull as your online broker. Or if you're somebody like me who you want to use Lightspeed for your executions, but you like Webull charts, well, then you could just do what I'm doing and then mix them together. So it's really just a question of, do you have the $25,000? Do you like, what is visually appealing to your eyes? I'm assuming you like what you saw, which is why you asked in the first place. But like I said, I wanted to get all those clarification points out of the way. And then one final thing, if you do use the link down below for Webull, they're always giving away free stock and money and stuff like that. But that is, for transparency's sake, that is an affiliate link. So if you click that link and sign up, I will also get something. So just want to be transparent about that. But I hope this helps. If there are any other questions, then please let me know down in the comment section. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.